Hi class, I wanted to go over some tips and tricks for week 1's topic selection worksheet assignment. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to week 1. I have it all open here, but click to open all of the activities under week 1, and you're going to want to find the topic selection worksheet. Click on that and you'll see that the assignment directions open up. Hey, make sure you read through the assignment directions carefully, but you're going to need to complete the topic selection worksheet, which you'll download right here by clicking on that. Okay, so when you download that and you open it up, you'll see it's a 3-page worksheet. You are going to complete part 1, which is on the first page. Part 2 provides information for you, and part 3 has a couple questions for you to respond to, and you're going to complete that. Okay, so there's nothing really to do on part 2, but part 1 and the third page will have information you need to fill in. So for part 1, you're going to see the directions explained for you to identify each of the following items as either a broad topic, a narrowed idea, or a research question. So what are the difference between those? Well, a broad topic is going to be very general. It's going to be more like a field of study, like a degree program, or possibly what a class could cover. A narrowed idea is going to be much more specific than a broad topic. It's going to be more appropriate to write a paper on. And then finally, a research question is going to be phrased as a question. So that one's probably the easiest to distinguish. Okay, so as you go through, pick out the research questions. Those are going to be the easiest. And in the response column, you're going to write the response that it's a research question. And then for all of the other ones that aren't questions, you're going to have to determine whether it's a broad topic or narrowed idea. Okay, now, one tip that I have for you besides thinking about whether it's more appropriate for a class or a degree program, that would be broad topic, or a narrowed idea would be more like a paper topic. One way to help you determine this is if you scroll down, just to give you a hint, they're not all there, but a lot of those items from the first page are actually listed on the second page, and they have a title of either broad topic, narrowed idea. So that can help you out too. Okay, so in this response column, either write broad topic, narrowed idea, or research question for each item. Okay, then what you're going to want to do is read through these different choices here, because what you're going to be doing on the next page is you're going to select a broad topic, you're going to select a narrowed idea from that broad topic, not both of them, just one of the narrowed ideas from your broad topic, and then you're going to select the corresponding research question to that narrowed idea. Okay, so to repeat, pick one of the broad topics. For each broad topic, there are 2 narrowed ideas. You're going to pick one of those narrowed ideas that corresponds to your broad topic of choice. And then there's one research question which corresponds with that narrowed idea. You're going to pick those 3 items. Okay, any of these possibilities on this page. So read them through, and you don't have to go with a topic that's related to your degree program, but if you like to, that's great, but you don't have to, so make sure you read through all of the different choices. When you get to the third page, you're going to write in sentence and paragraph format a response with a minimum total of 175 words. That makes sure that you have the depth of response that's required to fully answer these questions. So the first question is to identify the broad topic, narrowed idea, and research question you selected and explain why you chose them. Okay, it's very important to explain what all 3 of these are. Don't assume that because you list your narrowed idea that the reader should understand what your broad topic and research question is. You have to actually spell out what each one of these are and why you chose them. Okay, the second question, what interests you academically or personally about your selections? Why did the research question, narrowed idea, and broad topic combination, why did that catch your eye? Why is that something that you think you want to devote all 5 weeks of our class to working on. Make sure when you type your response that you reread it to catch any spelling or grammar or mechanical errors. We want to make sure that we're handing in our best work. And there are also tools to help you in the CWE, in the Center for Writing Excellence, to help you check those as well. But the biggest thing I would say is I'm a big fan of using the spell check. So if you go to the review tab, you can check the document, and we'll go through at some point during the class how to really make that even more specific. But if you click on that, it'll help you identify any errors that you potentially have in your paper that you can correct. So please remember that if you have any questions or concerns, don't feel bashful about reaching out to me. Send me a private message or give me a call and I can help you through this. But hopefully that video helped it be a little more straightforward. Thanks so much.